All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at a word from the English dictionary with a British English accent. And tea. Very good, tea. So let's go for the dictionary and let's find a word. So boost. Well, that's a good one. Good one, actually. Boost. Bop. Bore. Border. Boom. Boon. Bookmark. Bookmarker. Bookkeeping. Book. Book. Bond. Bongo. Bonnet. Bonus. Basic. Basilisk. Basque. Bazooka. Barrel. Banister. Baptism. Banner. Banskia. But I think boost is good. Boost. Noun. Encourage or help. Increase, improve, or booster. Small additional. So increase. Add more. Increase. Or add more. Increase, add more. Or additional. Yeah. I'll call it that. So I need to boost the numbers. They want to boost the budget, for example. Increase the budget. She needed to boost it higher. Needed to increase something, make it higher. I, they, she, he wanted to boost the anything. Boost his performance. Makes sense. I, they, she, he, it might only boost if we have the time. Might only increase if we have the time. How can I boost the heat in my tea? How can I boost the tea? Increase the boost the heat in the tea. Oh, not so sure. Boost. Let's try and get a sign. Here we are. Boost. Increase something. Yeah, definitely. Very good. So we boosted it last time. We are boosting it now. How? We thought he boosted it yesterday. We will boost it tomorrow. I will boost tomorrow. Increase it tomorrow. Yeah. Boosting. Boosted. Boost. Booster. This is a booster pack. Yeah. These booster packs will help us. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So boost, noun, increase, add more, additional. We need to boost the defenses. We need to boost the defenses. Yeah. I need to boost my tea intake every day. Yeah, every day. Need to boost it every day. More tea. How cool is that? So boost, yeah. Noun, increase, add more, additional. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.